Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Linux Mint 22.2 Zara edition. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.43. Then select the operating system. See, you don't have Linux Mint, but open terminal, more/etc os -release to verify the version. See here its Ubuntu code name is Noble. Noble means it is Ubuntu 24.04. So Ubuntu Linux is the operating system. Then select the version Ubuntu 24.04. See, once we selected these options, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. Instead of downloading each package, just download this deb bundle. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 488 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untap the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.0.43. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now go to download cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL Server tar file. Control A. Now untar it, tar-exf. Then MySQL, press the tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed. But before installing them, install following dependencies: sudo apt install macap -ipadic -utf 8 lib ao -dev. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. Now let's install these packages: sudo dpkg -i star.deb. This will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 8.0.43. Now we have to set the password for root account. Confirm the same. Hit enter. Select OK and hit enter. Now we have to select the default authentication plugin. See here we have the strong password encryption and legacy authentication method. Whatever you want, you can select. Then select OK by using tab and hit enter. We have installed MySQL Server, but these test applications failed. It's okay, but we have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.0.43. Now verify the status of the MySQL service. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is running and it is enabled. Quit. Control L. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -b. Then provide the password of root account. See, you have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.43. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create database. Create database. Then provide the name of the database. Verify the same. See, new database bank is created. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. Now verify tables. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table. See, we have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Control A. Now create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. See, this won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create. See, we have created user. Now exit from the current session and connect with this new user. New user name is David-P. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, you have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. See, you have logged in with the user David. Now try to access the database that you have created. See, unable to access because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server on Linux Mint 22.2. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is inactive or dead. Okay. Also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. See, MySQL service is started. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. We are able to connect. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBA. You can download or you can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or DBA on Linux Mint operating systems. Go to downloads, then select MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL Workbench, then select the operating system Ubuntu Linux, then select the Ubuntu 24.04, then download this Debian package and install. Okay, this is the way. And last option is ls. These files are not required anymore. Remove them. rm*.deb. It means it will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. ls. Remove this one also. rm MySQL. Press the tab to autofill entire file name. ls. We have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download, install, and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Linux Mint 22.2. Okay, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.